Make a great choice today with the 2020 Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid offers a nice, quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.